Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to our today's class. Students, do you think about our environment? At present, what is the condition of our environment? Is our environment normal or that type environment which is we want? No students, our environment is not that type which types of we want. What is the condition of our environment? We all know about the condition of our environment, that our temperature is become high and our ice is melting, and anytime our coastal area, many types of coastal areas will be submerged. So what is the reason behind it? We know what is the reason. We know we all are responsible for it, because we increase the using of greenhouse gases, and for that reason our temperature become high and our environment is polluted for our regular life. So what do we want for our environment, or what should we do for our environment? At first, we obviously we should aware about our environment. For that, we should know about the biodiversity. Do you know about the biodiversity? What is biodiversity? The way in the which diverse living beings live in nature is plainly called biodiversity. Here, diverse living. What is diverse living? Diverse living beings live in nature is plainly called biodiversity. What is diverse living? Here, diverse living means all types of living thing is live in together in a one earth. Diverse living or many types of living thing means here animals, aquatic animals, mans and plants, all are living thing and all together live in a one earth. That is called diverse living. And when they are live together in a one earth, that is called biodiversity, and they all are dependent each other. How they are dependent on other? Like plants are dependent to animals or mans, because plants receive carbon dioxide and we gave the carbon dioxide to them, and we, men or animals or birds, they are receive oxygen from the plant, which is they gave to us. Like this, we all are dependent on each other. What is the condition of biodiversity in Bangladesh? We know Bangladesh is a very polluted country, and our environment is not so good, and our temperature also not. Our temperature is not adverse or not adverse. Then we are in a very risky condition, because our pollution in all sector, our sound pollution, our water pollution or air pollution is very high, and this is very risky for our regular life. At first cause of our pollution is our unplanned urbanization. When anything with not unplanned, their result is not so good, and our urbanization system is very unplanned. That's why our all living things are suffer for it. Our buildings, roads and highway built in a unplanned way, and for that reason in our urban areas oxygen level is very limited or very low rate, and in urban areas oxygen is not cover all of the people. And our in urban area it has many types of school, college, hospitals, and every important thing in urban areas. For that reason all rural peoples are come to urban areas for their lead their life. And when urban area is overpopulated, that time urban area become polluted, and for that result the reproduction of aquatic animals, fishes, insects, birds are hampered. When we built many types of buildings by destroying park, their field and agricultural land, that time this type of animals and insects, birds are not lead their regular life, and their life is hampered. And obviously our cultivable lands are diminished. When our cultivable land is diminished, that time our production also become limited, and that time our production and that time a food crisis is started and we all are dependent on the crops of rural areas. And when rural areas storage system is not modernized, that time many types of crops are damaged for the storing system and transporting system. And our industrial waste and smokes are polluted our environment. Our industry also built in a unplanned way, and for that reason in where the industrial area, in that side a urbanization created, and here pollution is also very high, and for that reason in industrial areas environment is very much polluted. And this picture is all over our Bangladesh, where is industrial area and where is urbanization, and other side where is not urbanized, that type of place is very safe for the living for the people and animals, insects, birds also. So what should we want about it? Do you think what should we do for protecting our biodiversity? We know our overpopulation is responsible for all types of pollution and destroy our biodiversity. So at first we should control our population, and our population should be reduced. After that our cultivable land should not be spoiled, because if we spoiled our cultivable land, our food crisis is started. We should make policy to protect biodiversity, and this policy will be the favorable for our biodiversity, and we should obey all of the policy. Rules should be obeyed in using chemicals, fertilizer or many types of pesticides in agriculture sector and industrial sector also. Law of nature should be followed. Nature has her own laws, and we should we all are follow the nature law. And our forest resource should be increased. when our forest resource should be increased, that time our environment is very much cool and it's very favorable for the biodiversity. Our forest resource means plants or trees, birds, animals, that they are our forest resources. And our animals and fishes resources should be protected. When our environment is in a cool or in a controlled way, that time our animals, fishes, birds, they will be protected. And all types of pollution like water pollution, air pollution, sound pollution, soil pollution, all types of pollution should be reduced. When all types of pollution are reduced, that time our environment is become a fresh environment, and our biodiversity lead a very fresh life, and that time our biodiversity will be protected. And for that, for the protecting our biodiversity, at first we should aware about it, and when we aware about it, we will take this type of steps for protecting our biodiversity. I hope you all are understand about the biodiversity and the condition of biodiversity and how we will protect our biodiversity. Please read your book thoroughly and solve your worksheet from the website. Thank you very much.